So I didn't like the reading on this capacitor and the reading on this part. So I'm gonna try to replace those two and see. I don't have the same exact one anywhere. It's the only one I see here in the board. And the size is pretty much the same. I don't think it's 3.3. It looks like it's 4.52. Those ones are too big. This one is too big too. The most closest one is this one with the size. Obviously I couldn't find the same exact one, the 452, 2R2 and 50 volts, but I was able to find this, and I think this is a compatible one. So if you're gonna see here, I have, oh, hold on. 0.23 nanofarad. So 52. I think this is the right measurement. 5.2, and then here we have 0.22. so I think this one and this ones are the faulty ones. I'm gonna replace those two and I'll send it to the customer, see if it's a commercial board from a washer. It's an Electrolux washer. I checked all the other components, everything seems to be fine, but I didn't really like the measurements that I'm getting on those two components. So fuses are fine too, all the capacitors, transformers, everything seems to be fine here. I didn't see any issues. So I suspect it's this guy and this one. I'll have to replace it and then the customer will let me know if it works or not. All the other components are completely fine. If you guys have any questions, you are welcome to comment, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.